Hi, Bobby Loves. It's Brami. Hi, Bobby Loves. So, in this video, ay inaya kami ng boss ko and his family. So, today we went to and visited the National Shrine of Saint Padre Pio. And we even got a chance to visit the Holy Water Sanctuary. Ayan siya, ipapakita ko sa picture. Ayan, and then ito naman yung loob ng sanctuary. Merong mga paintings, and then, of course, sa loob din makikita ang rebulto or statue of Padre Pio na nasa taas ng Holy Water Sanctuary. So, ayan, I even got a chance to have this necklace blessed, which is gifted by Madam, my boss's wife. And I also took the chance to take pictures na lang din. So, medyo magulo lang yung pagkakakuha ng camera because we are having fun. Ayan. So, I took the chance to take a picture with the rebulto ni Padre Pio. Ayan, so nagpaka-holy muna ako. Ayan, and then I took a little prayer. I lit the candle sa labas. Ayan, bigyan mo siya ng moment to pray. Ayan, so after we pray and visited the sanctuary, we roam around. Ayan, nag-attach lang ako ng mga photos ko. At kung nakikita nyo to, thank you so much sa pagsama ulit at panonood ng video ko. Maraming salamat po. Mwah. Premi, yours.